Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a sunshade sail. It is waterproof and it is in rectangle. The size is different. You can use it in 6.5 to 6.5 feet up to feet to 20 feet. That means you have a so long range to get your well-fitted own sunshade sail. It is waterproof and 95% UV block for outdoor garden, patio and backyard. And in this case, it's gray. You can also use it or order it in white, green, red, beige, etc. and black, no? And it's really good because it will prevent you from raindrops. It will prevent you from the sun. I dislike sunburn on my skin. So this is really good to give you a little bit of shadow. But what is a sail shade? A shade sail is a device to create outdoor shade based on the basic technology as a ship's sail. The shade sails use a flexible membrane tensioned between several anchor points. In this case, you have 4 anchor points. Shade sails are available for other shapes too, like a triangle. Then you have only 3 anchor points. But this is a large thing, so you will need 4 anchor points. While generally installed permanently, they are cheap and easy to set up. They will usually provide both public gathering places such as seating areas and playgrounds in countries where strong sun radiation makes prolonged stays in the open sun unpleasant or dangerous due to sunburn and skin cancer risk. And this sun protection device has a long history. Ancient Egyptians and later the Greeks and Romans used large pieces of fabric to provide the shade. The Colosseum in Rome was shaded with large canvas sails pulled into place by Roman sailors. Modern shade sails came into wider use with the invention of a far more durable and relatively inexpensive fabric called shade cloth. Useful versions of shade cloth appeared in the early 1990s, especially in Australia and South Africa. For most of the 1990s, there was some confusion about what these new devices should be called. However, they are now most commonly called shade sails throughout Australia, South Africa, and United States of America. The shade sails have yet to have a significant impact in Europe and South America. A number of Australian shade sail business export to other countries. Rapid growth in the shade sail industry has seen many new businesses and websites offering shade sails and shade structures. And what you will need for installing, you will need a special hook system for it. This special hook system is adjustable. If you rotate it, so you have to attach it on the wall, then you linked it in and linked it to the sail, and then you can rotate it to get more pressure into the shade sail. Really smart solution to get more pressure into it. And this will get your sail a little bit harder setup, and you should have to install it better from the upside to a little bit to the downside to let the water rinse or drain off of it. You will need to attach them this special hook system, and this you have to attach to each anchor. You have to attach to the wall with good and tight screws. They have to tight really good because there is a much of force will get into this shade sail by the wind, and water is dropping on it, and the water will have a really high height. So you have to look if you install it after each rain. Maybe there is a little bit of water on the upper side, and this will make a little curved design of your shade sail, and then you go with the stick, push it out, job's done. Really easy. And this it is really easy. It is a shade sail made of waterproof polyester Oxford cloth. The outer shade sail can be used in our yards, pool areas, garden, children's play areas, car parking areas, or other outdoor areas. The sails also are widely used for privacy. You can sit idly during the best time of the day and enjoy beautiful weather under it. The shade sail canopy is waterproof fabric, which can block the dew and light rain, but not storms. The sail will block 95% of UV rays and protect you and your loved ones from harmful sunlight for a long time. The sail's corners are with reinforced double layers, which makes D-rings strongly attached to the sail. The D-rings are stainless and won't rust. And the waterproof shade sail is easy to clean, easy to attach, and not easily to fade. It's really awesome. I installed it. You can see it in this video, and I like it really much because it will spend me so much shade, and it will protect me against rain. So it is easy peasy. The assembling video, I will make a different video about this because it is a long journey to get this shade sail on my own area at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.